Hello and welcome in this third video of Space Origami. I hope you all doing great and following the guidelines given by the government throughout this lockdown. So this lockdown has stopped us doing many things, but it has also given us given the great opportunity to doing some amazing and interesting thing. And we are back with an amazing and interesting idea. In previous video of Space Origami, so we have already introduced you about the concept of origami. What is origami? So if you haven't watched these videos, so just go to the I button or go to the link given in the description. So in this space origami video, we will make an amazing type of paper plane, which is known as the ring wing glider or annular wing glider, and the material required for making this is this A4 paper sheet, as you can see, and a pen. That's all. So I will just give you some instruction and you have to just follow it to making this ring wing glider. So first of all, just make sure that this long edge should point it toward you and this short edge should be on sideways. So just take this edge and fold it like this. Okay, now just make sure this make a right angle triangle. So here is a right angle triangle and the length should be equal to this. So these lengths should be equal and these two lines should be parallel. Now I will use my pen and fold and make a crease. Okay, so now this paper sheet should look like this. Now you should make two fold around 2 centimeter each. So I will make first fold. So the paper look like this. Then again I will make a second fold. Now the paper should look like this. So the most amazing part comes into the picture now. So just take this paper and make a curvature by using your table like this. So you can see this curvature. So now you have to just fold the paper and close the ring wing glider in this manner. So now we have completed the part of making the ring wing glider. So this is very pretty easy to make and pretty easy to understand how to make a ring wing glider. So now I will make you understand about how to fly this ring wing glider. Okay, now so we have done with making the ring wing glider part. So now it's time to make it fly. So here is our ring wing glider. So what we have to do is we have to hold like this our ring ladder and put our 2 fingers inside this, and our thumb would be outside, and we will hold this ring ladder in this manner. So my 2 fingers are inside and the thumb is outside. So now I just extend my arm and I just make a curve through my arm and I just throw in that way. So if you like what we are doing, please share this video and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and recommend to all your friends about this video and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.